Hello, this is Novatopflex, and in this video, I'm demonstrating the Netsleuth application. This is a graphical application that's meant to be an IP address and especially subnet mask calculator. Because I'm on VNC, it's display, all caps display equals :5, that's my VNC display. And then it's going to be Flatpak run, and then it should be something like io.github.vmkspv. Or you might have a different Netsleuth, but this is what the Netsleuth application will look like when it launches. You may notice that most Flatpak applications are designed with a GNOME-style user interface. The interface might remind you of the GNOME desktop. This is what Netsleuth actually looks like when it's in full screen on some systems. This is 1280 by 720. You can actually enter any IP address, like in the 192.168 range, because these are private IP addresses. 192.168.1.169. This will have the subnet mask. You can also show binary and show hexadecimal. Did you know? And you'll see some did you knows. These are results that you'll see. You'll see many different results with Netsleuth, because this is what's supposed to be the case. You will also see which types of IP addresses are which, like in the case of 192.168.1.169. And then let me actually change this. Or should I? I changed my mind. No thanks, actually. But you will see many different subnet masks are possible, depending on your type of IP address and how specifically you set it up. But these are all the possibilities for your subnet masks, because they're based on the binary. But overall, if you like this type of content or would like to learn more, then feel free to like, share, comment, subscribe, and try to hack the YouTube algorithm. And thanks for watching. Signing off.